Part 2, story time. Whatsoever. First breakroom, and his girl come out to me. We were playing rhythm. And that girl decided to shout at me in the house. You don't even know how to read. I asked her. Second round. First round. Did you get a diploma? Second round. Did you get a trophy? Third round. Did you get a medallion? No, not any of that. Did you get a certificate? No, not any of that. So please don't come up to me and tell me that I can't read. I get 7th every month or every year. Can you tell that? How? And so on. My cheerleaders say like, you, she can't read. No, not to me. To this girl, they come up to me. Let me say her name is Lutando. Lutando come up to me. Learning. Oh my gosh. Leah come up to me and says, Landria come up to me and says, and my friend says to Landria, the cheerleader says, you, she can't reach even, she don't even get a certificate or none of that. You should get everything zeros. And I say, yeah, thank you guys. I come. They laughed at her and she was starting to get angry because they are laughing at her. And she got angry on me, guys. And then she gets angry and she gets it. She makes like funny faces and stuff like that. And I was laughing. We were laughing. And my friend said, wait. You guys know Lena. She likes to laugh like she laughs like that. And she laughs very ugly. And she started to laugh. And everybody laughed. And now there's excuse me. Ugh. And those girls started to get angry. And she like go to her ran and hit her. Like, oh. And they hit her back. Like, oh.